Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be continuing our Discord Pi series, and today we will be making our client event. A client event is, in case you don't remember, is when you execute a function or a command, whatever you want to call it, without using the prefix. Basically what it is, I already did a trial here, it failed, so I'm re-recording this. So you want to have some banned words, like also let me move this one, because as I told you, this is the second time I'm doing this. So you want to have some banned words, trigger words, whatever you want to call them. And you don't want, like, no one is going to type, I don't know, let's say dog is a banned word. No one is going to type -dog, so you can remove it. They're just going to type dog, and the bot needs to automatically detect that it is a banned word. So how do we do that? So first we're going to start by creating a new file called bannedwords.txt. I didn't type that right. Where is it? Rename banned words. Okay. So I'm going to add dog. I'm going to add dog, apple, and wolf. Let's save this. You can go on. We are going to first let's read from the file. So I'm going to add it here. So banned word is equal to read files from lists and banned words.txt. Now we are going to start by creating our event. Oh wait, you shouldn't put these two parentheses here because it doesn't take any aliases or anything. The first thing we are going to do, just like we did here, is to check stuff because it's an event. So first we are going to check if a message is sent, and most importantly, if this message is sent by the bot. So we're going to say if message.author bot, then it is going to return nothing, so it doesn't do anything. And what we're going to do later is for word in banned words, which is the list we just created here. It is going to check first if the message content, so basically what the user wrote, is well longer than 0 letters, and then it is going to send a message. So here, since this is an event, you cannot use the context variable. That's what I think it means, the ctx variable. So we're going to use another way of sending a message to channel. So we are going to say await message.channel, and wait, we forgot to add .send. So await message.channel.send, and let's say sorry, this I don't know, message will be removed since it is banned in this, so I need to change it to it is. Okay, and let's actually remove that. So you can just remove the other users message, but to avoid bots just having like a channel full of these messages, I'm going to also remove the bot's message after waiting for a while. So this is when we have to import time to make the bot sleep. So we are going to say we also need to import async because we need to run stuff in asynchronized, so it is called import async IO, and we are going to say await async IO dot sleep 2, And then we are going to await message.channel.purge, and we are going to set a limit to 2 messages so it doesn't just delete everything in the channel. So to explain it again, what this does: first, it is an event, so it doesn't require any usage of prefix. First, it works only if there's a message sent, and the first thing it does is to check if the author of the message is the bot itself. If it is so, it is going to return false or nothing. If the word is in banned words, we use the for here because we are going to read it from a list we created here. And if it is so, it is going to use another if, and it is going to check if the word actually exists. If it exists, it is going to say, sorry, this message will be removed since it is banned in this server. And then it is going to wait for 2 seconds in order to, give the user time to read. And it's going to remove the message that the user wrote and the message that was written by the bot to avoid spams. So let's save this and see if it works. So we're going to say Python, and we're going to run our command. So let's check the banned word list. Dog is banned. Let's type dog, and it didn't work. One message takes 0 positional arguments, but 1 was given. Okay, let's see this. Oh yeah, we forgot to break out of it, sorry. So client events don't work like the commands, so you can only use one of them. And when you get into one, except for the onReady one, obviously, because onReady is just running the bot. Except for the onReady one, when you get into one, it's like a while loop, so you need to break out of it. And how you do that is make sure your cursor is in the function, but not inside the for. We're going to say await client.process dash commands. Sorry. And then we are going to say message. That is why it said it can take 0 inputs, whatever it said, 0 variables. That is the reason, because we didn't say that when the message is taken, it needs to break out. So now when we say dog, it gave an error again. On message takes 0 position arguments, but 1 was given. Interesting. Oh, never mind, okay. We forgot to take in the argument. That is also one of the issues. Okay, now it will work. Bot is ready. I type dog. Sorry, this message will be removed since it is banned on the server, and it removes its message as well. So I'm going to go to the general chat because there's some, or we can just write like, what was the other banned word? There is woof, so let's just type woof. Sorry, this message will be removed since it's banned in the server, and it removes the bot's own message and woof. So yes, that is all we're going to do today. This was our first event. Events are important to use because, like I told you, it is running without the prefix, and you can only have one of them. So let's say you want to avoid pinging the bot. So what we can do is we can create like a trigger word list, and we can have trigger words, which is like when someone pings everyone, it is going to delete that message to avoid, like, you get what I am saying. So while doing that, what you're going to do is just say for word in, let's call it trigger words, and you continue. You don't create another client event like we used to do in the client command. You just continue on from this. Yes, but you can't do the same thing with the start one because it is the, like, it checks if the bot is running. So you can do it, but don't do it, so your code looks more organized. Yes, that is all for today. Hopefully next week we will be moving to cogs, which is when the actual programming comes in. So thank you for watching, and hope to see you guys next time.